Hey everyone, the Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32UCDMR is a powerhouse of a gaming monitor, blending cutting-edge OLED technology with forward-thinking connectivity to cater to both hardcore gamers and creative professionals. Building upon its predecessor's strong foundation, this new iteration retains the acclaimed 32-inch 4K QD-OLED panel, while upgrading its internals and external compatibility for a more refined, future-proof experience. The QD-OLED panel delivers a sharp 3840 by 2160 resolution with exceptional motion clarity thanks to its ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time and high 240 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid and accurate, with 99% coverage of the DCI P3 color gamut and a Delta E below 2, ensuring professional-grade color precision. This makes the PG32UCDMR not only suitable for fast-paced competitive gaming, but also for content creation and color-critical workflows. Its peak brightness reaches up to 1000 nits in HDR content, while SDR brightness levels average around 450 nits. The monitor is fully compliant with HDR10 and Dolby Vision standards and comes certified with VESA Display HDR True Black 400, reinforcing its deep black levels and HDR competence. Asus introduces its third-generation QD-OLED technology in this model, which brings with it a refined sub-pixel layout that noticeably improves the sharpness of text and overall image clarity. To address OLED longevity concerns, Asus integrates its OLED Pro suite, a comprehensive package that includes pixel shifting, boundary detection, screen movement, and a neo-proximity sensor. Connectivity is one of the PG32UCDMR's major strengths. It supports DisplayPort 2.1a with full UHBR20 bandwidth, enabling a massive 80 gigabits per second data rate, ideal for future high-resolution, high-refresh gaming setups. HDMI 2.1 support is also present for modern consoles, and the USB-C port supports data, video, and up to 90-watt power delivery for laptops. Asus includes a DisplayPort 80 gigabits per second cable in the box to ensure users can take full advantage of these capabilities. The integrated KVM switch makes it simple to toggle between multiple connected devices using a single keyboard and mouse. Software flexibility is another area where the monitor excels. Asus Display Widget Center allows users to update firmware, enable OLED care features, and tweak display settings directly from their PC without needing to navigate the on-screen menu. Gaming responsiveness is further enhanced with support for both AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync, ensuring smooth, tear-free visuals across a wide range of hardware. Physically, the PG32UCDMR features a minimalist, frameless design accented by customizable RGB lighting on the back. Its ergonomic stand supports tilt, swivel, height adjustment, and is fully VESA mountable for users who prefer monitor arms or wall mounts. While Asus has yet to announce the monitor's global pricing and availability, the PG32UCDMR stands as a compelling choice for users who demand both performance and display quality. Its combination of premium OLED visuals, ultra-fast response times, next-gen connectivity, and thoughtful longevity features place it at the top tier of the gaming monitor market. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.